back later. Yeah, later. Go back later.
National, road tide, Sister Benji. Sing all the family, all the people from Awasa. Say, Shashamane. Let us have the King's Highway. You're a certain star, King. What was the Mikey? Well, you know my legal, everything is blessed around here. Give thanks and give prayers. Expecting a bigger turnout, but you know what? The vibe is up there, 100 same way. So enough respect to all the masses. The first shall be last and the last shall be first. God bless. You know the rest. All the smiling faces around the places. One that did it with there, you know. This was a dream for me at one time. No reality. Just like that. I had my plans. Just wipe out my plans or put his plans in place. You see me out? It's all good. So we do it. The key is the faith. Faith in the Almighty and they can't fight it. Faith in the King and they can't do a thing. And I tell you, that is the key to everything. Because there's many routes through, that's what I learned. There's many routes, but all of them carry a slight risk. So your protection is the Almighty. I tell you that stuff. So bless it all. Is working to be friends. In my other of the opponent. In the victory we keep confident. We fight. In the section where the Rastafari. Yes,
Number one for fire.
Yes. Thank you. My room, so I thought,
Nice one. Isn't there?
yeah.
Is Matthew son.
Papa, tiens, on a vu.
Easy in a Jah Garden. Yeah. Virgins and sisters in a Jah Garden. Jaja children in a Jah Garden today. Rastafari. Rasputin to say in a Jah Garden. Yes. Lord King Jalil. Good night because you're tough like steel. Dub In Jah Garden. Original, endogenous. Not indigenous, endogenous. Original. Yeah! Competition. When you're sighting up Jah vision, you're a true musician. Music sings the melody, we all are one. The rhythm, the drum and the bass and the percussion. To teach the people so they can understand. To reach the people so they can get along. To lead the people so they can sing this song. To lead the people, lead them to the promised land. Musical vibration, musical operation. Music for the nation, Dub In Jah Garden celebration. Music make we feel like we go down for we two, come up for we need. Music make we all agree, have we working in a unity to teach the people so they can understand, to lead the people so they can get along, to reach the people so they can sing Jah song, to lead the people, lead them to the promised land. Jah!
Rastafari.
Yeah, listen to the music, see?
Already?
I think it's trying to fade the thing.
Yeah.
So make mention, Reparation, Babylon, Behold Philistine, Tyre. With Ethiopia, this man was born there. And it shall be said that this and that man was born in her. But the highest himself, His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, establisher, Rastafari. Yeah, the Lord shall count the people as well as the singers and the players and instruments and the strings are in the to really group boy. Selassie, ever living people and sure. Open the door, everlasting. Peace. When the keep from the east, yeah, make the peace increase in the sea. Now truth and justice time, you know. Equal rights and justice for all. Keep it moving, jump in the jump garden. Oh, your borders. Hope you're easy garden.
praise, give Jah praise, give Jah praise. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Give Jah praise. Give Jah praise, give Jah praise, give Jah praise. The house that is built on a solid foundation.
The earth is here for us, so we have to utilize the earth to the best of our advantages, not being selfish and greedy, but replenishing the earth, caring for the earth, nurturing our women and youth, giving them what they need, and to be in balance with the earth, to love and to give and receive in a balanced way with each other and with the animals. That's the mission, that's the purpose. If you feel called to be on this wave of sustainability, of betterment of humanity, natural liberty, self-care, self-love, community-based healing, unity in community, homesteading, farming, all of the above, please link me. Let's get to it.